Welcome to our guide on tackling that pesky fridge clicking noise. If you've ever been startled by that sound, you're not alone. It might indicate underlying issues that need your attention. First, let's explore the common culprits behind this noise. An overloaded compressor, often due to dirty condenser coils, can be a major cause. Faulty start relays might also fail to engage the compressor properly, while an obstructed condenser fan can prevent adequate cooling and lead to overheating. Now onto the solutions. Start by unplugging your fridge and cleaning the condenser coils with a brush or vacuum. This simple step can significantly improve efficiency. Next, check the start relay. Unplug it, shake it gently. A rattle means it's faulty and needs replacement. Lastly, inspect the condenser fan, ensuring it's free of debris and spins without hindrance. You might wonder about other noises like popping or knocking. Popping is often normal due to expansion and contraction, but if accompanied by other noises, further investigation is needed. Knocking sounds typically relate to compressor or fan issues. Ensure your fridge is level and the fan is in good condition. For maintenance, regular cleaning and keeping your fridge level are key to avoiding future noise issues. If these DIY fixes don't resolve the problem, especially if it's a complex issue, consider reaching out to a professional. And if you're in need of expert help, Seattle Appliance Service Pros is here to assist you. Thanks for watching, and remember, a quiet fridge is just a few steps away. Happy repairing.